What happened? Okay,
No, no.
you can hear. I would like. I
Yeah,
would
I
like.
can.
To, yeah, yeah. Okay, I would like to plot him on growth chart, and
Yes.
I have examined this. I've seen the pulse in the volume in the character and in the rate is normal, and while the on palpation the apex is on the right side, and uh, on inspection there is mid not scar on the palpation,
Hello.
apex is the right side in the fifth
Hello.
interface, and there is no murmur sound. First and second heart sound is normal in intensity, normal, and uh, there is peripheral and central cyanosis and mild clubbing is there, and liver is palpate, on palpation liver is there 1 centimeter below the costal margin, right costal.
Okay. Okay. So, what's your impression, doctor?
Count taking it all into these findings, my impression is that it might be complex congenital heart disease, cyanotic congenital heart disease.
Okay.
Uh,
So, what could
and
be like?
I cannot find any other scar on the right,
Okay.
left thoracotomy scar. There is only one scar, mid
Mm-hmm.
sternotomy scar. So there possibility that is that there may be have this is due to the shunting scar, and this is extra sound is coming due from the shunt possibly.
Yeah.
So there can be
Okay.
a single ventricle with the
Okay.
pulmonary
Mm-hmm.
artery possibility, which I am thinking.
Okay. Okay. So, doctor, what advice you would like to give to the parents?
Yeah, I would like to educate the parents about this, and I will involve
Mm-hmm.
the cardiologist and the nutritionist, and for the high caloric diet, and I will educate the parents for properly about if as the child is uh, little bit is behind from his peers in the growth. So I would like to involve the nutritionist for the high calorie diet. And one more thing, uh, what else?
Time is up.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Dr. Sandeep, your feedback, please.
Yeah. Yeah, Dr. Ravel, it was very good attempt. I tried to confuse you regarding the sound, that cava pulmonary shunt. Sometimes it comes actually. It's not usual to have a sound of cava pulmonary
Yeah,
shunt.
yeah. I little
Uh,
bit confused, but then I thought maybe this is due to the shunt.
yeah. Yeah. One thing like when you said like I would like to palpate for the liver, you did not say left or right because it can be
Yeah, yeah,
dextrocardia,
yeah. This is
dextrocardia
dextrocardia
with
can be right
complete
atrial.
isomerism, not.
Yeah, complete isomerism, atrial isomerism can be there. I should say
Yeah.
I have written
Yeah.
this mistake.
Oh,
I
yeah.
have done. After that, I realize I have
Yeah.
done mistake. I should write. I have written this one on my
It's
paper.
important in this. If
Yeah, it's
apex
very
on the right.
important.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah,
And regarding advice to the parent, actually, cyanotic congenital heart disease, they can be polycythemic. And we have to avoid dehydration. That is one thing because it can cause thrombosis in cyanotic congenital heart disease. Right?
yeah.
Secondly,
Education is actually about avoid
yeah,
dehydration. One more thing.
yeah,
One thing is if they are going to a high
hmm,
altitude or some
right,
areas.
right.
This is the second, and the third is about this dental procedures.
Dental
Uh,
procedure and it in,
Due to the lack of the time, I cannot say.
right.
Could not say.
Nutrition, dental, preventing dehydration, high altitude. These four things we should not.
Yeah, yeah. The fourth
Again,
thing,
Dr. Sandeep, again.
Like
avoid
when
the
there's congenital cyanotic heart disease, we should avoid dehydration. Then we have to general advice regarding the nutrition and general advice regarding the dental procedures like that.
Okay.
And
yeah. This is actually Dr. Vakar. There are four things when you are checking for cyanotic heart disease, and if there is
Mm.
only mid sternotomy scar, then it is definitely and cyanos is there. So possibility that they have done just a shunting, because this is not completely corrected. So for this, you will have to give the
okay,
advice to the patient only. you cannot do anything. You will involve the cardiologist for the follow-up. You will say for
Hello?
the follow-up.
Mhm.
You can hear?
Can you hear me?
Yes, we
Yes,
can hear
Dr.
you.
Sandeep, we
Okay,
can
okay,
hear you.
okay, okay.
You
Sorry.
can hear me?
Yeah, I
So,
can hear
Dr.
you.
Rohel, Dr. Rohel, Dr. Rohel, when he asked from you about what it could be, so at that time you can say the baby
Actually,
has central cyanosis, so it could
they are
be
saying
some
that for
shunting
this,
procedure has done because still baby is cyanosis.
yeah,
Palliative.
for this they are saying that if there is only mid sternotomy scar and there is no like right or left, so that's mean they have done some shunting inside the heart. So for that
Yes.
you can say that most probably complex cyanotic congenital heart disease, and as there is only mid sternotomy scar, so most probably they have done some shunting